What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another episode. And yes, as you can see, the 330e from last week's video, well, we're doing the POV drive test. It's going to be awesome. The one thing I can't get over is the wrap. The wrap is so sick. Oh, someone's coming in. It is so sick. Obviously, you've got the GTS light, the twin exhaust, which sounds absolutely insane. So big up JC Customs for that. Let's obviously get to the driving bit and yeah, have some fun. And obviously, I'll talk you through obviously what the car feels like performance wise and stuff like that. Right, so that's started, isn't it? That's the electric motor. Obviously, you've got the airlift system there. So window down so people can hear. Just press it once, right?
Press it until it says save. There you go.
Okay. Again?
And then, no, that's it. And then if you press the
brake, and then so you got, oh, there you go. Oh god, the drone, Jesus Christ. The drone is quite bad, I'm not gonna lie. From a passenger's experience you can't tell much, but from a driver's experience, okay. That MST in intake sounds awesome. Sounds really good actually. Does this have launch by any chance?
It doesn't, no.
It doesn't, or it does?
It doesn't, no.
Oh, okay. We'll give it a little bit of a launch from. Okay. Oh. That's it. It does have launch, I think. It launched. It sat at 3K, I think 4K, and then it went. Which is still, dude, it's not that bad. It's not that bad for a stage 2 330e. I'm impressed. Coming from a big turbo M140i, I am. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna get it. Probably. Oh, damn.
Launched it.
It's actually not that bad. Decent. Whee. So kind of talking on performance wise, stage 2, let's say around 380 horsepower, which is relatively quite a lot for a 4-pot engine. Obviously you've got the hybrid system, so you can feel the torque. The launch is really good though. That's one thing I am definitely going to say, because obviously it is a hybrid, so it's like instant launch. So you've tuned the gearbox, right? XHP flash. Yes. Is it what is it? Stage 2, stage 3?
Stage 3.
Okay, fair enough. I'm guessing it's just full shebang settings.
That's it.
Everything. Because I've noticed the gear changes are quite aggressive. But the one thing I will say though, driving at normal is actually quite nice. The only thing that is going to irritate me, oh, you don't have you can't turn the start stuff again.
Can't turn the stop
oh fuck! Oh shit! That's one thing that patronises me a lot with my 140. Yeah, I'll definitely get it mapped out for sure. So if we chuck it in, so let's say chuck it in comfort, yeah, right? There you go. So now it's in, so now it's in e-drive, fully electric. Okay, yeah. Right, which is really weird. Coming from a 140, you can hear the exhaust all the time. Damn, that is weird. So if I put my foot down, the engine will kick in straight away, or does it take a time? Does it have to hit?
There is some delay, but the engine will kick in.
Okay, so if we give that a go. Oh, there you go. Which is I think we scared that little girl, bless her. It's actually not that. Oh, okay. So once you put you put your foot down, you go. Take your foot off the accelerator, and the battery just kicks in.
That's it.
Oh wait, actually no, that's not it, is it? Oh. So when does the engine kick in? 40 miles an hour.
50 miles per hour.
50 miles an hour. Okay. For some reason it hit it at 40 for some reason, but
it depends if we're going up a hill.
Ah, okay.
It needs the power.
Okay, fair enough. It is I don't know, man, it's weird. For me, it's a really weird experience sitting in a BMW, any sort of BMW being electric, really. I know it's a hybrid, but we're driving in fully electric now. It's a weird experience because I can't hear anything. Usually, because unfortunately my M140i has made me partially deaf anyway, so that hasn't really helped, but it's actually not that bad. So obviously the air suspension, it's made a massive difference compared to obviously the springs, which you mentioned earlier on. Yeah. It's very, you said it was more, but obviously the air suspension has been a bit more bouncier than normal.
Yeah. It is a lot more bouncier.
And here's the one thing I've noticed, it's very comfortable. This car is really comfortable. You don't really feel the road much. Or is it just me? I don't know.
Oh yeah, it is quite comfortable, yeah.
No, I like it. I really like it. And I think it's, as a daily car, I couldn't fault it. I couldn't fault it at all, actually. That's something I don't really say much, but as a daily car, I couldn't fault it at all. You've got the luxury of obviously you've got the performance, you've got pretty much everything really. You've got the hybrid system, you've got everything you need. Obviously the upgraded Android system and stuff like that. It's okay on fuel. I'm going to be very honest with you, it's not great on fuel, just like you said earlier on. But it's nice, man. It's nice. I think I'll be honest with you, owning it, I'd be scared a little bit because obviously the start-stop, it can kill your starter motor very quickly. That's the only thing that would scare me. I think other than that, I can see a lot of potential in this car actually. I'm not gonna lie. I think you've done really, really well. Obviously with the exterior, really, really cool. I'm not gonna fault that. Even caught me off guard. Obviously when you first came, I was like, fair enough. But it's a good car, man. I'm not gonna. Yeah, it's good. Right, so. Oh, not that bad at all. That, oh bloody hell. So I'm going to ask you, obviously we'll call it end to the vlog in a bit, but I want to ask you in terms of obviously moving forward with the car, it's stage 2 now. Is there anything that you'll be doing later on, or is that it?
In terms of performance, not a lot. That's going to be it. I'm going to leave it at stage 2. Purely because if I want more power, I'm just better off going for a big engine. It's not going to be worth the money to
you should get a B58 next, isn't it?
Yeah. yeah. It's, now that they've gone down a little bit of price. Same with S55s as well. Yeah. But we'll see. I'm going to hold on to this one for a bit.
Yeah, I'll say definitely now because obviously the climate. But this thing actually moves. Fucking hell, man. No, fair enough, dude. No, fair enough. I would. The only problem I think with this car is I can't rag this car hard because obviously it is a 330. It's on air suspension. If we tip, we tip, and that's it. I don't think he's going home. Neither am I. But we'll call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, stay tuned. Definitely check out his social media, all that good stuff. Check out his socials and all that good stuff. Make sure to subscribe. I thought I'd do a nice little POV, obviously, because I genuinely wanted to drive this thing and actually see what it's about. The wife's thinking about getting one next. I don't know, and obviously knowing me, I'm going to be modifying it next. So it's always good to kind of see what these cars are all about. Might be a yes. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. But one thing I will say, it is a cool looking car, man. I'm not gonna deny that, dude. So obviously, yeah. Stay tuned, and yeah.